welcome to Punky Flute. Today we are going to explore repeats. I don't mean like a big section of repeats, but a chunk of a melody, chunk of a phrase. And by repeating it, I think it makes it more interesting and somewhat more impressive. Possibly sounds even faster. So let's see what I mean. If you were to play a, let's say, FED, like this, in the phrase, instead of doing it once, like, you can do it multiple times. I think it emphasizes the message that you're trying to deliver, and I think it makes it cool. You can do, you could alter the rhythm a little bit using the same notes, give a bit of tension and make your solo a bit more interesting as well. You know, there are lots of different ways to use the same repeated notes. So let's explore what we can do with the repeats in your improvisation today. Today we are going to practice over a tune called Flying South. I wrote this when I was flying to Memphis, Tennessee, and I was lucky enough to record at the legendary Sun Studio with these wonderful musicians there. I have such good memories of that day and the recording studio and everything, so wonderful. So I hope you like this tune. If you like to listen to the EP, link is in the description below, or you can visit www.mihowada.com. So I have taken out the first melody of the tune and let's improvise using that beginning. But if you like to start improvising straight away and practice your repeats, that's perfectly okay too. Alright, let's have a go. With lots of repeats. Let's have a go. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a great day. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much. Bye!